Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can crop video in CapCut, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, access your CapCut app. Now go ahead, choose a existing video file, or you can simply choose to add a new project as well. Right over here, if you simply select your video file, you will find plenty of options in the bottom section, and if you simply would like to crop it, all you have to do is simply swipe through these options, and then if you see so, you will find this one option called transform. If you tap on it, then you will find this option of crop, which is on the top in the bottom right, and now you can simply resize it however you want. You can do like this, and once you're done, you can choose a ratio as well according to your need. Once you're done, tap on this little tick mark in the bottom, and there you go. Now you have your cropped video file accordingly. You can simply again tap on it, and again tap on transfer crop, and resize it however you will like. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.